What is TC Communications JumboSwitch? Today we will be talking about one of our most popular products and some of its many features. The JumboSwitch is a part of our product family which connects legacy interfaces over modern networks. Feel free to take a look at our product matrix, which clearly displays the entire product family. You can use our product matrix to quickly identify any of our products you might need. Simply choose your transport, choose your interface, and the product you're looking for will be at that intersection. The JumboSwitch transmits an impressive range of interface options over an Ethernet connection, all of which are listed in the left column of our product matrix, as you can see here. The JumboSwitch uses TDM over IP to transport any of our supported interfaces, as shown in the following diagram. Let's take a look at an example transmitting an audio signal with the JumboSwitch. The audio and the signaling is received by the TC3846-6 JumboSwitch interface card. The signal is then converted to IP packets. The signal is then transmitted over the network. The signal is then received by a second TC3846-6 device, and then converted back to the audio and signaling. The reverse path is handled the same way. The connected equipment views the link as identical to the original connection, in this case, the least analog line. Another superior advantage to the JumboSwitch is uncompressed audio. This means there is zero distortion, zero compression for digital audio, and handles full fax and modems with the JumboSwitch phone cards. For the analog cards, this allows for guard tones in an unrestricted fashion, especially those used in a radio voder application. Another key advantage of the JumboSwitch is low latency, and this is extremely important for simulcast radio systems, SCADA, and especially Teleprotection. Latency is determined by the bandwidth. This graph shows how if JumboSwitch users increase the bandwidth, the latency reduces. Let's talk about port connectivity. Think of the JumboSwitch as a matrix of connectivity ports where any port can be connected to any other port of the same type on the same network. To illustrate this, let's take a look at the following diagram. We have an IP network with 4 sites with 4 ports per site connecting RS-232 serial. Any one of those ports can be connected to any one of the other ports on the network. Each unit has been assigned an IP address which can identify the unit and each port. Let's say you want to connect port 1 on site 1 to port 1 on site 3. You can set the destination IP address of site 1 port 1 to communicate with site 3 port 1. And then at site 3, you can set the destination IP of port 1 to communicate with site 1 port 1. Assign the 2 ports to an unused UDP port, in this case UDP1, and as the IP addresses are set correctly, the ports will now communicate. You can connect the remaining ports in the same manner. For example, you can connect site 2 port 3 to site 3 port 4 and assign it as UDP10. As a further example, you can connect site 2 port 1 to site 1 port 4 and assign it as UDP5, etc. Just another example of the incredible flexibility offered by the JumboSwitch. To learn more about the JumboSwitch, please visit tccomm.com/JumboSwitch. There you can see all of the various interface cards, chassis, case studies, testimonials, and more. Also, feel free to get in touch with us by visiting tccomm.com and click on Contact Us in the top right-hand corner. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.